Hi everyone, welcome to Hedgehog Hollow. Today I have another fun hack for you to save a fortune on your holiday decorating. Now, lots of you have asked me how to transition from core paper crafting into doing more of your own home decor. So today's project is perfect and we're playing around with PomPom. So you can do any colour you want. So I'm doing a funky modern Christmas because I've got loads of the Dr. Seuss things from Hobby Lobby. And it's going to match in perfectly. You could do traditional colours. You could make your own pom-poms if you wanted to as well. But I've gone for the easy option. And of course, links and everything in the description as always. So this is a 12-inch cone. And my plan is to make a few of these. I'm just going to show you one on film here. And then throughout December, you'll be able to see us decorating our home with these fun things. And all we're going to do is take this cone, take my glue gun. This is Lynn Lily's new glue gun that she sent me. Let's put a new stick in it already. So I'm ready to go. And I'm just going to put a line of glue around probably like 3 or 4 inches. So you can see just like this. And then I'm going to take pom-poms very randomly, making sure I don't have the same colour together at any point. And I'm just going to go around my base. So super, super simple here. Just a few inches at a time of glue because we don't want it to dry on us. And I'm just going to pick up colours. So I'm not doing a pattern or anything that I need to really pay too much attention to. And I'll add links to Lynn's new glue gun as well. She also has coloured glue sticks. So if you wanted to do something really funky where you could see all of those different colours of glue that you're adding on, you could do that as well. And I'm doing the pom-poms just fairly low towards the bottom because I want to cover up most of that cone. You can always add a piece of trim if you wanted to as well. I'm just going around pressing these on. And I'm going for the random idea because, you know, Dr. Seuss is all about being fun. You could make these for decorations for a child's room. They don't just have to be for Christmas. And I'm going all the way up so I meet back at where I started. So again, I'm just pressing these in. Really, really simple. And I'm going to squeeze an extra one in here so it looks nice and full. So that's your first round. You're just going to press those on until your glue sets. And it's going to set really quickly anyway, particularly if you use hot glue as I am. And then I'm just going to go all the way around. We're going to speed this process up because you don't want to watch 20 minutes of me adding pom-poms on. But it's really quite quick. So I'm just going to go around, same deal, just adding another line of glue like this, significant amount. And then I'm going to go all the way up to the top. And there we have it, one finished cone. Doesn't it look super cute? I was just saying, I want a whole forest of these. I can't wait to decorate my counter with all my Dr. Seuss, so stay tuned for seeing that in December. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, all of those fun things, and you too can create your own pom-pom trees. I'll see you again soon. Bye.